If you've been researching shower wall panels for a while now, you may have come across materials like laminate, tile, ceramic, acrylic, you name it. And you may be coming across our InnovaShower wall panels and thinking, what's the difference? Well, today I'm going to tell you 5 things you may not know about InnovaShower wall panels. Number 1 is that they're made from a rigid PVC material. They aren't your standard thin, flimsy acrylic materials, which gives them a solid feel to them and are durable for everyday use. Number 2 is that they're 100% waterproof. Now obviously this one is very important because it has to withstand water for a significant amount of time. These panels are designed specifically for wet environments, and so you don't have to worry about water getting in places where it shouldn't. Number 3 is that they are available in 36 by 96 inch sheets. Now, I think that this is my favorite feature about them because some of the acrylic wall panels out there may go only up to 80 inches. So now you're having to deal with finishing off the drywall above the shower system. With these systems, you don't have to worry about it because most of the time, 96 inches covers all the way up from floor to ceiling. And another nice thing about it being 36 by 96 inch sheets is that, let's say you're dealing with a shower system in the second floor of your house that's a 60 by 36 or 60 by 32. Well, that back wall is, if you buy a solid surface material sheet that's 60 by 96 inches, you're gonna have to try to pivot around all the weird corners to try to get it upstairs. With these panels, you aren't gonna have to worry about it. You're not gonna be pulling, Ross Geller from Friends and having to pivot up the staircase with these wall panels.
Pivot! Pivot!
Number 4 is that they install faster than tile and actually even some other shower systems out there on the market. Because you're working with large formatted pieces, you're not having to worry about dealing with, little individual tile pieces to install in your shower and having to wait for the grout to set. So that installation becomes a much faster process. And actually, this is a great wall panel system for DIYers or handy people because it's actually pretty easy to work with and easy to install. And finally, the 5th one, they're made in the USA and in stock in our Cleveland warehouse. Nobody likes waiting for months on end for material. InnovaShower wall panels are made in the USA, and actually we stock them in our Cleveland warehouse. So even if you're dealing with, an odd size shower, you won't be stuck waiting forever for that material. So there you have it, 5 things that you may not know about InnovaShower wall panels. If any of these surprised you, leave a comment below and let us know. Or if you want to learn more information, you can head on over to our site at innovashowers.com or give us a call at 877-668-5888. Thank you so much.